Hey my loves, what's up? Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Now, the fifth lie they're telling you about Restream, the same thing they told me, and I'm trying to correct that impression right now. You can use free songs from your editing app for your Restream. Maybe if you're using CapCut, you now go and see it's free song and you add because they said the song is free. Okay, I did not send you. The songs are free, quite alright. If you use it, you get a copyright claim there. Also, if you decide to even use the songs available on the Restream app, you want to add songs to your Restream and you're choosing from the ones on the Restream, you will still attract copyright claim on your Restream. So if you want to attach songs to your videos, download the song from YouTube audio library. That is where you can actually use all those free songs there. Download any of them, add it to the video, the Restream video, before you even export. So as when it starts playing on your live stream, they won't tell you it's a copyright claim or whatever. If you go and start using the ones in your CapCut or in your InShot app or on the Restream app itself, it will give you a copyright claim attached to the video. So please don't use any free song apart from the one on YouTube audio library. Okay, I have done Restream. I did it on my two channels, so I have an experience on this thing, and I'm telling you, don't make these mistakes. Don't listen to these people because it's not nice enough how some of these creators tell you about Restream. Do it, but they will not hide sensitive information like this from you. They will not tell you the bad side of Restream, and you're not gonna fully victim, or they're not gonna give you half-baked information and expect you to figure the rest out by yourself, or even tell you something that is not even true. Just like this thing, like I know that I remember watching a video where the girl was saying you can minimize your browser and go and use your phone. I minimized my browser. I could not even use the phone. Before I even came back, my streaming had already ended. I cried that day, but as well. And that was the same way she also said, the same person also said you can use any free song from your editing app. And I went to use song from even they gave me a copyright warning. Sorry, they gave me a copyright claim, but the good thing there it was just a copyright claim, which is something you can always, resolve. I had to go back to my YouTube studio once the particular video that Restream that had the copyright claim, and I removed the song from the video, and that was how I got rid of the copyright claim. Imagine if I got a copyright strike because I listened to somebody that said. So please, if you're here to use Restream, make sure you pay attention to the things I just mentioned. Just have it at the back of your mind to avoid they said. If you're already using Restream, please also have it at the back of you so you don't gonna make these mistakes later on. I'm still going to show you two guys in my other videos the pros and cons of using Restream. These things are things that some of these creators still not even tell you, but I'm here to share it with you guys. This is not to discourage you, but to encourage you to get your channel monetized. Yes, even with using Restream, but also apply with caution. I'll see you guys in my next video, and if you're not subscribed yet, sweethearts, do subscribe to this channel, turn on notifications so you don't miss out a single thing. See you guys when I see you. Bye.